Hey everyone, it's Hydrofoam here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to add hardcore mode into Minecraft Pocket Edition. Now the reason is I'm this high is because I'm actually going to show you by jumping and show you guys that I cannot respawn. Now boom, as you guys can see, so game over it's saying, and now what I can do is spectate my world, or I can head into the main menu, which I'm going to do. And now what you need to do, so the first step is you need to open up the Play Store, and I'll catch you guys over there. And now once you're on your Play Store, what you need to do is search and then head into File Manager. Search for File Manager and then go ahead and install File Manager by Xiaomi. Alright, so this is important. Once you install it, just go ahead and click on Open and then accept all of the things that is required to be accepted. And then what you need to do is click on this folders icon over here. And if you have an SD card in which you store all of your games, just go ahead and select that by clicking on this downward arrow over here. Or if you store all of your games in internal storage just like I do, just go ahead and select that. And then what you need to do is select the games folder, just navigate towards it, and then yeah, this is the games folder. Now you just have to remember this, and now what you can do is just close all of this, and now what you need to do is open up your favorite web browser, whatever it may be, and then after that what you need to do is click on the first link in the description down below, where you basically have to download this HC Bedrock version 4.0. Just go ahead and click on download. So for me, I've already actually downloaded it once, but I'm going to do it once again. And yeah, so it's going to start downloading the file, and you just have to wait for a bit. And yeah, so as you guys can see, so it completed downloading, and now what you need to do is go ahead and click on open, and now it's going to ask you open with file manager. Just tell just once, all right, or if you want you can just set it to always. And then what you need to do is select the SD card or the internal storage wherever you store your games. I'm going to choose internal storage and then navigate to the games folder, and now what you need to do is paste it over here. And now you can go ahead and close all of this, and now what you need to do is go ahead and open your file manager again, and then head into the folders side, and then navigate to games folder, and then you'll see this over here, HC Bedrock version 4.0 add-on.zip. As you guys can see, so you just need to select it, and then what you need to do is go ahead and click on extract here, and once you do that, you'll find this folder over here. It's going to extract to this folder. You need to click on it, and now this is the important part. What you need to do is select this, all right. So there are two different packs, behavior pack and resource pack. So BP is behavior pack, click on that, all right. And then it's going to ask select type, just click on documents, and now it's going to say open with Minecraft, click on just once or always. Alright guys, so now that we're in Minecraft, it's going to say import successful for you. For me it said fail, but it doesn't matter because I already done it once. And now what you need to do is basically head back into the file manager. Alright, do not close Minecraft. And now once you're back in file manager, what you need to do is go ahead and select the resource pack. So first we selected the behavior pack, now select the resource pack, select type select type documents, do not click on audio. And then what you need to do is just go ahead and click on open with Minecraft. Alright guys, so now that Minecraft has loaded up, what you need to do, so it's going to say import successful, and then what you need to do is head into your settings, head into your global resources, and then over here under my packs it should be there. For me, I've already activated it, so hardcore mode. And then what you need to do is exit out of here, and then go ahead and click on play. And when creating a new world, so just free world, now you need to create a new world, all right, so you cannot use your old world. And then what you need to do is head into resource pack, just go ahead and activate it, and in behavior packs it's already going to be activated, so you do not have to worry about that. And now what you can do is go ahead and create your world. Alright guys, now that we're in this world, you can see the hearts over here. So this basically is the hardcore heart mode, as you guys can see. So the heart is different, and like I showed in the beginning of the video, if you die, basically your world will be deleted. I mean, it won't be deleted, you can still have access to it, but you just won't be able to play on the world is all. You'll only be able to spectate it, and that's all if you die once. So remember that. Again, you can create backups of your world. That's really simple to do in Minecraft Pocket Edition, and in general in Bedrock Edition as well. So yeah, so this is basically how you install hardcore mode for Minecraft Pocket Edition, how you add hardcore mode. And if you guys did enjoy it, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and in the meantime go ahead and check out some of my other videos that are on your screen right now, and I'll catch you guys over there now. See ya.